dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. You're watching the latest financial calendar on Insta TV. Early next week, all eyes will be turned to the following market movers. On Monday, the U.S. Institute for Supply Management will release a report on the Business Activity Index in the U.S. service sector for February. According to the forecast, the indicator will slightly change by 0.1%. In February, the non-manufacturing PMI improved and touched the level of 56.9 points compared to 56.7 points in January. Analysts had expected the decline to 56.5 points. The figure comes from the survey of approximately 400 companies from 60 sectors of the economy, including agriculture, mining, construction, transport, communication, and wholesale and retail companies. The indicator's reading close to 60 points is regarded as a sign of possible economic overheating, rising inflation, and consequently such Fed's measures as raising the key interest rate. On the other hand, when the score is close to 40 points, there is a signal of recession. On Tuesday, the Reserve Bank of Australia will summarize the results of its April meeting and announce the decision on the interest rates. Speculations over another reduction in the key rates weigh on the markets. During the meeting in February, the Reserve Bank of Australia unexpectedly cut the interest rate by 0.25% to 2.25%, trying to lower the Australian dollar exchange rate, the high price of which has a negative impact on the export. Now the Australian dollar is trading at its multi-year lows and there is practically no effect from the interest rates cut. That is why analysts do not expect any surprise on the forthcoming meeting, and they forecast that the interest rate will remain at the same level. On Wednesday, the decision of the Bank of Japan on the benchmark interest rate will be the most significant event for the markets. Analysts expect the rates will remain within the range from 0 to 0.1%. At the previous meeting, the Japanese regulator kept its monetary policy unchanged, maintaining a large-scale stimulus program and rates at the lowest level of 0.1% or lower. In its accompanying statement, the central bank said the Japanese economy continues its moderate recovery. It was also mentioned that the inflation is expected to fall to the zero level. However, the long-term inflation expectations would grow. In Canada, data on the IV PMI will be published on Monday. On Tuesday, reports on the business confidence will be revealed in Australia and New Zealand. The retail sales data is also due in Australia, and the UK will report on the services PMI. On Wednesday, data on the trade balance will be on tap in China, and the FOMC meeting minutes will be published in the US. And this concludes the calendar of the latest financial events prepared for you by our Insta TV team. See you next week. Bye.